The first unit, we have the push bottom knobs or blades are corroded, so this push bottom is not functional. The solar panel gave us around 13.4 volts. The battery side gave us around 11 volts. So the light doesn't work. Whatever if we shut off our sunlight, as you can see, the light doesn't work. All right. But if we jump wires come from the push bottoms or corrode blades, you know, remember? So now, if I shut off the sunlight, then you see your light's working. But it's working only if we bypass the push bottom. This is for the first unit. Now, this is the second unit. So, if I shut off the sunlight and I try to push the push bottom, you see, the light's working. Only if I still hold the push bottom. If I don't push the push bottom, the light doesn't work. The power from the batteries, as you can see, I don't have any reading, only if I push the push bottom. So now we get 10.7 volts. If I release the push bottom, so we don't have anything from the batteries. I think that will be okay somewhere. Anyway, the power from the solar panel looks similar to the first unit, 13.7.8, you know, with our sunlight. So if we shut down the sunlight, that's for sure that's drop down, but that's normal. So again, pretty much the similar issue that the first unit. That second unit working only if we push the push bottom by the side. If we don't push it, the light doesn't work. Okay, now this is the third unit. So everything is on mount. If I shut down my sunlight and try to push bottom, nothing's happened, no lights. So that means somewhere the push bottom doesn't work either. Something now different. I don't need to push bottom to get the voltage on the solar panel. So we got 13.2. Remember the second unit? To get the power from the solar panel, we must push bottom. So that one, we don't need it. But the light doesn't work. So now see the batteries. So apparently we know now why the light's coming out when we push bottom or not, because on the battery we have nothing. So the battery looks dead by the wires. We check the wires. It says the cable comes from the batteries and we get nothing. So we'll see under that panel if we have a bad junction or something. So whatever if I jump the wire come from the push bottom to make sure that the push bottom is not in bad function, we still have nothing on the batteries. So for this one, the batteries look very bad. I will check each side by each side to see if another problem come true. I'll let you know. So I try to take the other wire come from that big batteries from, and as you can see we have strictly nothing on those batteries. So this one, let's look that the battery is down. Whatever if the solar panel give us the good power, so maybe the problem should be on the controls. So let me know. And the push button looks bad also anyway. So the 3 units, what I found is the push button, it's defect, and for a few of them the first unit and the second unit. The battery is good. The solar panel is good. So I don't know if your model control is bad or not, but that's for sure the push bottom is bad. On the third unit, the batteries is dead, both of them, and the solar panel is working well. So that means, what I think, the model control doesn't work very well. So this is it for the testing the 3 units. Let me know ASAP, because my customer is a little bit upset that we take very much time to resolve those problems. So let me know. Thank you very much.